this aircraft skyward. Watch closely for another forward flip. And then Sean will see him? The maneuver which he calls the Orango Tango Tumble. And then we're going to try to reach Sean live. Sean drives his way down to air show left. 200 miles an hour. The nose comes skyward. He is going to pitch the nose up, flip this aircraft onto its back. This is what Sean calls the inverted frisbee turn. It is an inverted, perfectly level turn, completing that entire turn while producing zero bank in this aircraft. Angle attack in excess of 25 degrees. Sean will now roll his way around, convert that altitude back into airspeed, and then once he dives through air show center, let's watch for the end-over-end tumble called the Orango Tango Tumble. Now as Sean comes the rotation, taking a short break, offers some altitude, catches breath, tighten up his seatbelt, and let the down. So now as he begins the climb, let's go live to the cockpit. Sean Tucker, are you with us?
Some kind of fun up here, flying noise. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what do you think?
I just hope that was hilarious.
Let me buckle up a little bit here. I got my seatbelt a little loose after that one. So the first thing I want to say is the three best words in the English language. You got that right. It's God bless America. Give him a hug and you tell him thanks for protecting those freedoms. We got a lot of friends down there. You know what we're doing here is celebrating our freedoms and the magic of flight. And I'm honored to be flying for you. We get to take a bunch of kids on Young Eagle flights today. We've had a blast. Okay, I'm all buckled up. Hips are good. Give me a flight left for the Sean Tucker way. The first move is the second here. My parents get the pop up. We need plenty of airspeed for this one. And we're going to get it. Here's the deal. I'm looking for 250 miles an hour.